In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge your cells in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to merge some cells, here's how to do it. So I have my invoice right here, which you've seen in a previous video when we tried to format some text right here. And what I want to do would be to just put the invoice in the middle right here. Now, instead of just putting it right there, what I want to do would be to merge this entire row right here. There you have it. And if I do that, I'm just going to select all the cells that I want to merge and select the merge option right here at the bottom. You'll see it in between our text alignment and our cell fill color. So if I tap on it, there you have it. It has merged all those cells. Now, when merging cells, it's important that the very first cell on the left will be the only data or value left with those merged cells. So let's say I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. And if I try to merge this entire row, select merge at the bottom, you'll see that merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. So that's your warning. And if you choose to do so, just tap on OK, and there you have it. So the other values that are in the way will be deleted. And again, only the top leftmost data will remain. And let's just align that to the middle. And there you have it. I've successfully merged those cells to have this invoice centered in my data. So if you want to try that again, let's say there's no data, you just want to merge the cells right here. There we have it. Again, tap on the merge tool at the bottom, and there you have it. Now, the reason I wanted to merge that would be to just fill it with another color to make some sort of separation with my data. And there you have it. So that's how quick and easy it is to merge your cells in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.